Presenting a pre-owned 2016 BMW 550i. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 4.4-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This BMW is a great value with less than 48,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, window defogger, and heated front seats.